Let's learn about WCAG 2.1 Success Criterion 2.4.6 Headings and Labels. This criterion requires that headings and labels must describe the topic or purpose of the content that follows them. Here are some examples of how to implement this success criterion in code. Using descriptive labels for form fields. In HTML, the element is used to associate a label with a form field. The for attribute of the element should be set to the id of the form field it is associated with. The label first name is associated with the form field using the for attribute, and is descriptive of the content that follows it. Using informative headings. In HTML, the elements are used to represent headings. Headings should be used to structure content and provide a hierarchy of information. The text of the heading should be informative and descriptive of the content that follows it. The heading About Us is informative and describes the content that follows it. Using ARIA labels for non-form elements. In HTML, non-form elements such as buttons, links and images can also have labels that describe their purpose. In some cases, these elements may not have visible text that adequately describes their purpose. In such cases, the ARIA label attribute can be used to provide a label. The ARIA label attribute provides a label for the button that describes its purpose. This is particularly useful in cases where the text on the button may not be sufficient to describe its purpose to users who rely on assistive technology.